What does squared mean?
2 times the same number.
Times it by itself. So it's the same as this, okay? But it says that number squared, so you're gonna write it twice, just like, so it'd be 7n plus 1 times 7n plus 1. Okay, and then you still need your FOIL. So you multiply the first,
Maybe 49.
49n squared,
Plus 2.
the outer,
Plus 2.
no,
No, plus 7.
plus 7n,
How did,
the inner,
hold on, whoa.
you're not doing it in the right order.
14.
You'll get a plus 2 eventually.
Oh, or no, that's right. So it's just 7.
Plus 7n, and then the last, 1 times 1. 1 times 1,
1.
1.
There you go.
So plus 7n,
Oh,
plus
nice.
7n, so 14n. So it's 47n squared plus 14n plus 1.
Perfect.
So where are we getting it to?
You guys were getting a 2 from saying 1 plus 1.
Oh.
But it's not, it's multiplied.
Fine, expression. Hush.
Oh, really, Trish?
Okay, the next section says factor out each common expression. So this is the one where you need to draw. And what are some factors of 3?
1 and 3.
Okay, and what about this guy?
1 and 3.
1 and 3. So who's our matches?
Both. 1 and 3.
Yeah, 1 and 3 and 1 and 3. So what can we pull out?
3.
A 3. Okay, you would multiply 1 times 3. So 3 divided by 3.
Is 1.
3 divided by 3.
1.
1. Okay, we keep our signs.
So 1 and second power.
And then how many n's can we pull?
0.
You can't pull none out. Okay, so you're going to put them back, and they go with the first number.
When you say 0, you confused me for a second.
Well, you can't pull out 0.
I know because I had said it there and you said can't
Christians
one.
are allowed to get better.
Okay, look at 19. Okay, draw your little lines in between them.
Yep.
Factors of 56. Does 2 go into 56?
Yes, 28.
Yeah, 28.
28. Okay, and what about 28?
2 and 14.
2 and 14. 14.
2 and 7.
2 and 7. Okay, 32.
2 and 16.
2 and 16. 2 and 8.
2 and 4.
2 and 4. 2 and 2. And 80.
40.
2 and 40.
2 and 20.
20.
2 and
27.
2 and 10. 2 and 5. Okay, very carefully because your stuff is probably really close together and really small. See what you can put for matches.
3, 2, 3. Oh my goodness, this is a lot.
Which would be 8.
Yeah.
So I got 1, 2, 3. I'll agree with that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So our number on the outside is going to be what?
8.
8. It's 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so 8.
I think I'm ready for the test.
56 divided by 8.
7.
7. 32 divided by 8.
34.
80 divided by 8.
10.
Okay. Drop all your signs. So we got one that goes to the middle one and then a plus. How many n's can we pull?
No.
None. So put them all back.
Place.
N to the 3. And this one gets an N.
Ooh, look at me. Whoa. Ooh, ah.
Okay, 21. It says factor each one of these. So you need to pay attention if it says it equals 0 or not. Okay, these first ones do. So you're going to draw your 2 parentheses. And what could you fill in?
The factors of 14 and 5, right?
So we're going to fill in A and A.
Okay.
And we need to find factors of 14. What are some factors of 14?
7 and
2 and
2.
7.
1 and 14. 2, 7. Does 3 go in?
No.
4,
No.
5,
No.
6,
No.
and 7's on the list. So of these numbers, I need some to add or subtract to give me a 5.
2 and 7.
2 and 7. And how can I get a 5?
Add.
Minus 2 plus 7.
It's got to be a minus 2 and a plus 7. Do we stop or keep going?
Keep going.
So what's it gonna be? A equals
A equals positive 2 minus 7.
positive 2 and a negative 7.
Because it is 0.
Good?
Yeah, this is one without the 0, right?
Which one?
The next one.
Probably. Okay, look at the next one. Draw your parentheses. We got A and A. And find some factors of 16.
8 and 2.
1 and 16, 2 and 8,
That's it. No, 4 and 4.
3. There you go. 4 and 4. Okay, and we need something to add or subtract to give me a 10.
8 and 2.
8 and 2. And how can I get a negative 10?
Subtract.
I don't know what that means. What do you want me to write?
The A here. Wait.
Plus.
What?
Wow.
Plus what? I don't know what you want me to. You could shout.
A minus 2. No.
Plus 2.
Negative and negative.
Oh!
Negative.
Yeah, no.
Negative and negative.
No.
I don't know what's going on.
I don't know. Can you ask the
If
question
you do
again?
negative, A turns into a positive.
How can I get a negative 10?
Negative and negative.
One of them has to be a
Negative
negative.
and a positive.
Yeah.
Use your calculators. Figure it out. So you could say plus plus, plus minus, minus minus, minus plus. Okay, look up here. I'll write them up here. So you could say positive 2, positive 8.
Never mind. It has to be negative and
No,
negative.
make it a positive.
No, we didn't put the sign in.
It's not multiplying, it's subtracting.
Yeah, it has to be it has to be negative and negative.
Negative.
Negative, negative. Because if you do positive, negative, you get negative 6.
Don't do that. Correct. What is that plus 2 plus 8?
Plus 8 is 10.
Yeah, it's going to be a plus 10. Negative 2 plus 8.
Negative 6.
So, plus.
Positive 6. Positive 2,
Negative
negative 8.
6.
Negative
Then
6.
negative 10.
Negative 10. Okay, you gotta run through on the calculator. This is literally, I'm not trying to be funny. I'm not trying to make any of you guys feel stupid. This is literally why I say do them on the calculator. Even if you think you know, just check it. Okay, it's not, that's stupid to get it wrong when it's addition and subtraction. When you could have checked it on the calculator.
You ever use
You get
first-
upper level math, and you're not going to be able to use a calculator on everything.
You ever use first in math?
I don't, what the hell does that have to do with what I'm talking about
It's
right
like, it deals with that. That's what that's.
now? Does it deal with your test right now?
No, but
Then I don't care.
Because you don't care.
Not at all. Okay, so it's got to be a minus minus. Do we stop or keep going?
Keep stop, start right there because there's no 0.
Yeah, so we're going to stop. So this part is our answer.
Tiptoe through the window.
Okay, now,
Okay, the last part is going to be your quadratic formula.
So,
What's the formula?
no.
Hold on.
Oh, B.
Hold on.
No.
Raise your hand. Oh, you got it.
Oh.
Parentheses B. Parentheses. Plus minus. I forgot.
You done.
Great.
My turn. Then, square root,
Yeah.
then
Right.
B to second power, plus 4, plus A, plus C.
You're done. Ethan.
That's wrong.
I'm wrong. Well, I'm not
Yeah.
done. I wasn't.
You were wrong already.
I
Close your mouth.
wasn't done.
Ethan.
There's a minus, before the B.
What?
Before here
No, but
and right here.
ain't no
You gotta
negative.
put the parentheses by the.
And then the other B is.
Ethan.
That's over 2 parentheses A.
No, you didn't even let me finish, Miss Henry.
Because it was wrong. You said wrong. As soon as you said that plus, I'm like, you're done. I gotta let you finish. It was wrong. Okay, so good. That's our quadratic formula. So we're gonna have negative 2 plus or minus 2 squared minus 4 times our A times our C
Alright, so when we do the little I thingy,
over 2 times our A.
huh?
I don't know.
If we have a negative,
If you have a negative underneath the square root, yeah. So type in the stuff under the square root first. See what you get. Are your hands broke? Tight.
Oh, cause then, like, what's the point of you typing and they already got the hand?
So you can do it.
480.
Shut up, let me
That's all
start
your
again.
mom can do is shut the
What?
fuck up.
I got 484.
Oh,
no,
no,
four?
484.
I got 44.
I got
I
22.
got 44.
You got 44?
Hold on, we're
That's
gonna put the
44.
square root first.
No.
What'd you get?
So underneath the square root, you should have got 484. What is this gonna be?
Negative still.
Negative 2 plus or minus. What are you gonna get on the bottom?
4, 8.
8. Okay, type in a square root of 484. Do you get a decimal or a whole number? Let you know.
22. But,
You get 22. So you're gonna say negative 20.
wait, just say that's just such an easy.
So Jaden, the reason you can't do it that way is because what happens if you don't? Type in 485 square root. So sometimes it's not gonna go all the way if you do it all in one step. So that's why I say do it separate. Okay, so now what do we do? Are we done?
No,
you put
you
negative
-2
plus-
Good job, Marco.
Goofy over 8 and then you
And then
put
-2 minus negative 22
over
under
8.
8.
Good job, Marco. All right, type those in your calculator. Some of you guys do the first one, some of you guys do the second one. See what you get.
In the world you want.
Or just write it, Jaden. That's
I'm
fine.
trying to write.
3.
You got 3 for which one?
I'm not writing
Plus.
this problem down.
The
Mr.
plus?
Yeah.
What? I got 5 over 2.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's 5/2.
How? I would just put that.
Let me see.
It's 5/2.
Adoption.
It's
Right
5
now.
over 2.
Adoption.
See, that's why you need calculator practice. I
Adoption.
keep
I would have just put negative. I would have just put that.
Marco, you're not.
Shut up.
Oh, you're in the back of the class.
Oh, your
Your
money's
mom.
back here.
Your mom.
I got negative
He thinks he got that here.
It's -3.
Negative 3.
The second one.
Oh.
All these people were so.
Why are you so friendly?
Bro, I literally just put that in there.
5 over 2. And what is for the other one?
Psych or log.
-3.
Who's doing my other one on the board? Buy one, get one.
Me. In the middle of my foot.
I thought it was your phone, but. Sorry, I keep forgetting.
That's all you guys can say.
Psych or log.
No, I really thought. Bro, I swear to God, I do be forgetting.
I really don't care no more.
Really? Because you get a little salty about it every time. Okay,
No,
rock, paper,
that's all you
scissors,
guys
it.
can say. Like literally.
I
kidding.
forget. I swear to God, I forget.
Alright.
Huh? Nobody did one yesterday. No.
Can I?
Yeah, nobody did it yesterday.
Nobody did it
You
yesterday.
down loud?
Rock, paper, scissors. Let's go. You guys are wasting your own time.
No, he be cheating.
How am I cheating?
You know he be
You